Hey everybody, Roger here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a late model Honda Civic. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the cabin air filter on this 2019 Civic, and the procedure will be similar for a lot of late model Civics, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Here's what you'll do. Open your glove box and take out any items inside. Once it's empty, press in on either side to release the tabs holding it up and lower it completely. Locate the cabin air filter cover and release the clips on either side so that it can be removed. Slide the old filter out, making sure to take note of the direction of the airflow. Install the new filter in the same orientation as the old filter. Reattach the cover by pressing on each side till the clips snap into place. Raise the glove box and press in on either side so the tabs can secure it in its original position. Don't forget to replace any of the items you took out and close the glove box. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.